I'm glad to welcome you to my channel, and today I'm about to show you the 10 best e-commerce platforms for freelancers. These are the platforms that can help you earn more money by doing what you love, working alone at home, and have some routine in place too. It's hard to know where to start when it comes to e-commerce. There are so many different platforms that you can use, and each one has its own pros and cons. But before we get into talking about the 10 best e-commerce platforms available, let's take a closer look at what exactly an e-commerce site is. Here are 10 popular e-commerce platforms that you may want to consider. Number 1. Shopify. This is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that is easy to use and offers a wide range of features, including an online store, shopping cart, payment gateways, and more. Number 2. WooCommerce. This is a popular plugin for WordPress that allows you to add e-commerce functionality to your website. It is flexible and easy to use, and there are many extensions and add-ons available to enhance its functionality. Number 3. Magento. This is a powerful, feature-rich e-commerce platform that is suitable for large, enterprise-level online stores. It is highly customizable, but it can be more complex to use than some other platforms. Number 4. BigCommerce. This is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that is easy to use and offers a wide range of features, including customizable templates, a built-in blog, and support for multiple sales channels. Number 5. Salesforce Commerce Cloud. This is a comprehensive, cloud-based e-commerce platform that is suitable for large, enterprise-level online stores. It offers a wide range of features, including advanced analytics and customer segmentation. Number 6. OpenCart. This is a free, open-source e-commerce platform that is easy to use and customize. It offers a wide range of features, including support for multiple languages and currencies. Number 7. Square Online. This is a simple, user-friendly e-commerce platform that is suitable for small and medium-sized businesses. It offers a range of features, including a customizable online store and support for multiple sales channels. Number 8. Wix. This is a website builder that offers a range of templates and features for creating an online store, including support for multiple payment gateways, and the ability to manage orders and inventory. Number 9. 3dcart. This is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of features, including support for multiple sales channels, a built-in blog, and the ability to create custom shipping and payment rules. Number 10. Big Cartel. This is a simple e-commerce platform that is suitable for small businesses and artists. It offers a range of features, including customizable templates and support for multiple payment gateways. How can you earn from these platforms? There are several ways you can earn money through an e-commerce platform. Sell products. You can create an online store on an e-commerce platform and sell physical or digital products to customers. You can either create your own products or sell products from other companies as a reseller. Offer services. You can use an e-commerce platform to sell services, such as consulting, coaching, or design work. Sell subscriptions. You can use an e-commerce platform to sell subscriptions to a service or product, such as a monthly box of curated items or a membership to a site with exclusive content. Sell advertising. If you have a popular e-commerce site, you can sell advertising space to other businesses. Affiliate marketing. You can use an e-commerce platform to promote other companies' products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. Drop shipping. You can use an e-commerce platform to sell products without actually holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. Comparing pros and cons between them, how to use each of them. Here is a comparison of the pros and cons of 10 popular e-commerce platforms. 1. Shopify. Pros. 1. Wide range of features and integrations. 2. Easy to use and set up. 3. Strong customer support. 4. Good for small to medium-sized businesses. Cons. 1. Monthly fees can be expensive for some businesses. 2. Limited customization options for the checkout process. To use Shopify, you will need to sign up for an account and choose a pricing plan. Then, you can set up your online store by adding your products, customizing your design, and configuring your payment and shipping settings. 1. WooCommerce. Pros. 1. Free to use. 2. Wide range of extensions and add-ons are available. 3. Easy to use and customize. Cons. 1. Requires a self-hosted WordPress site. 2. Can be more complex to set up and use than some other platforms. 3. Limited customer support. To use WooCommerce, you will need to install the plugin on your WordPress site and set up your store by adding your products, customizing your design, and configuring your payment and shipping settings. 1. Magento. Pros. 1. Highly customizable. 2. Wide range of features and integrations. 3. Suitable for large, enterprise-level online stores. Cons. 1. Can be complex to set up and use. 2. Requires technical expertise to customize. 3. Expensive for some businesses. To use Magento, you will need to sign up for an account and choose a hosting plan. Then, you can set up your online store by adding your products, customizing your design, and configuring your payment and shipping settings. 1. BigCommerce. Pros. 1. Wide range of features and integrations. 2. Easy to use and set up. 3. Strong customer support. Cons. 1. Monthly fees can be expensive for some businesses. 2. Limited customization options for the checkout process. To use BigCommerce, you will need to sign up for an account and choose a pricing plan. Then, you can set up your online store by adding your products, customizing your design, and configuring your payment and shipping settings. 1. Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Pros. 1. Wide range of features and integrations. 2. Suitable for large, enterprise-level online stores. 3. Advanced analytics and customer segmentation. Cons. 1. Can be complex to set up and use. 2. Expensive for some businesses. 3. Limited customization options for the checkout process. To use Salesforce Commerce Cloud, you will need to sign up for an account and choose a pricing plan. Then, you can set up your online store by adding your products, customizing your design, and configuring your payment and shipping settings. 1. OpenCart. Pros. 1. Free to use. 2. Wide range of features and integrations. 3. Easy to use and customize. Cons. 1. Requires a self-hosted website. 2. Limited customer support. 3. Limited customization options for the checkout process. To use OpenCart, you will need to install the software on your website and set up your store by adding your products, customizing your design, and configuring your payment and shipping settings. 1. Square Online. Pros. 1. Simple and user-friendly. 2. Suitable for small and medium-sized businesses. 3. Wide range of features and integrations. Cons. 1. Limited customization options for the checkout process. 2. Monthly fees can be expensive for some businesses. To use Square Online. I hope you enjoy my video, and if you do, please give it thumbs up. Leave me a comment too if you have any questions at all. Thank you for watching.